Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading and writing. ABCD, okay? Pink color, white color, green color, orange color, light green color, light pink color, brown color, blue color, red color, yellow color, violet color, sea green color, black color, sky blue color. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B. B for banana. B for banana. C. C for coconut. C for coconut. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for head. H for head. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for pen. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rat. R for rat. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetables. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.